In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default search engine in Google Chrome Guide. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the menu and settings area without any issues. Once Chrome is on your screen, move to the top right corner of the browser window. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where Chrome organizes different browser options in a menu on the left side of the screen. On that left-hand side, look for the section called Search Engine and click on it. After you open the Search Engine section, look for the option labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. This is the exact setting that determines your current default search engine. Next to that option, you will usually see either a drop-down menu or a button that lets you change the current selection. Click that option and Chrome will show you the available search engines. From the list, choose the one you want to use as your default. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may simply select it from the drop-down, or you may need to click a button such as Make Default or Set as Default. Once you do that, the change is applied right away. That means the next time you type a search into the Chrome address bar and press Enter, Chrome will use the search engine you selected instead of the previous one. This is useful if you prefer a different search experience, want better privacy options, or simply want your browser set up the way you like it. That covers everything you need to know.